Hey guys, John Daggett here. Just quick reminder, today's November 19th and our auction for our 1978 Excalibur Phaeton III ends. So stay tuned for a quick tutorial on installing the top.
Okay, so Johnny and I are going to reassemble the top. So we've never done this before. Should be good. So it slides in here, and then we bring the frame out. Oh my God. And there's two snap latches here in the front to lock it down. This keeps that rear bow from overextending.
Oh, you got that other centerpiece to keep these from
Do we know where this goes?
right in the middle to keep it from
Oh yeah?
boom, boom.
So we put the tent on now.
Sure.
Okay, so this is a boot, which I think you can put the frame into and then leave it lay on the car. So if you have to do a quick, it's raining. But we're going to stow this right here. Ready for the new owner. So this would be a fun thing to do when it's raining and you got your wife in the car with you and you're trying to explain how to...
Hurry up. Well, honey, I've got to get these snaps on first, and then we can get the side curtains in.
So these are called lift the dot fasteners. Or push the dot. Push the dot, lift the dot.
Same difference.
So they go over these little spikes here. I got a wrinkle, Johnny.
What's our time at?
Okay, so then we have the rear side curtain, and something tells me we should have put these in already.
Probably, but we can force them in. It's actually really not that bad. Oh yeah, definitely should have. There's a hole for it to go into.
Oh, this pin?
Yeah, so you set it right there, and then there's going to be a hole right in that top. There you go. You got to kind of push the top up.
I will say that there is a website for a company based out of Wisconsin that provided service and parts for these cars. The last entry on their website is from 2014, so I don't know if they're still in business or not. But they do have an instruction manual for these cars. Mine fits like crap, Johnny.
Well, let me get on over there and help you out. Because mine is fitting pretty good, man. Okay. Let me open up the door real quick. Pop that beauty in.
Hey, if this thing goes in here...
Ah, this comes open. Okay. Hold on. I'm almost done.
I had it on the door, not on the car.
Time. There you go.
Yeah, I had it sitting on the door.
I'm going to help you out.
Yeah, please do. Feel free to jump in there and take care of the situation.
What needs to happen is that needs to come up a little bit. Right in there. Well, that is off. There we go.
Oh, man. Okay. Fits like a glove. You know, if the glove fits.
You must have quit, right?
Yep.
Nah, you got Velcro to hold those on.
No,
Those
there's
are supposed to
snaps. See, it's a little shrunk up, but they're supposed to snap.
Yeah, because you're doing 110 miles an hour, and you don't want these things popping out.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then that's why they have the long ones there.
Right. Look at that. Her hair is only a little wet.
Okay, so this.
Yeah, that open. There you go.
You put yours on already? Damn.
Yeah, I know, it's freaking.
I should have been an upholsterer.
There you go.
Okay, so, and then if you'll notice, it has no outside door handle. So to get in, you have to reach in.
You got it?
I got it. Ta-da!
We hope you enjoyed our video on installing the top on our 1978 Excalibur Phaeton III. Auction closes today at 3:41 p.m. on Bring a Trailer. And just remember, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.